Hi, this is Simon. Welcome back to Learning to LARP. As you can see, I had a major lighting upgrade since the last video. This is thanks to one of my awesome friends who just dropped by here after work, gave me a crate with lighting equipment saying, "You're a YouTuber now, you will need this, take it, I don't need it anymore." To this anonymous giver, you know who you are, you're the best, I love you, man, that's just great. And yeah, as I feel very illuminated today, I'm just going to talk about the topic of being in the spotlight at LARP and sharing the spotlight. LARP is often described as improvisation theater on a shared stage, which means all the players occupy the same stage and share it, and every player should be equally important on that stage. But as you can imagine, that's not always the case, because you can, although you're all on the same stage, you can seek the spotlight, you can seek to be the center of attention. And to be honest, it's not that difficult to become the center of attention, to be in the spotlight. You only have to try, and you only have to put yourself out there and be a little louder than everybody else. Just take the initiative and the spotlight's on you. Just imagine a situation that is very common to live action roleplay events, that at some point of the story all of the players come together in a group to decide how to go on with the story that is put in front of them, how to solve the mysteries, how to tackle the bad guy. And often in these gatherings no one wants to make the first step. No one wants to be the first one to say anything, because it could be very wrong, or people are just shy, or whatever. And if you are looking for the spotlight, this is your chance. You step up, you tell them, you're taking the lead, you're telling them what to do. However, that's the easy part. And to be honest, being in the center of attention is really nice. Everybody is looking up to you, everybody is appreciating what you're doing, and what's better than a bit of approval from your peers? Nothing. And that's why people often overextend their time in the spotlight. And not to overextend it, that's the tricky part. That's really difficult. It is so difficult because it's so comfortable to stay in the center of attention. But you have to remember, you're not alone at a LARP event. By definition, LARPing always involves more than one person. And you can guess that these people, these other people you're playing with, that they would like some approval by their peers too. And that they would like some attention too, because they're also human. And you share the stage with them. So why not share the spotlight with them? Also, there will be a lot of people who will be very annoyed with you if they see that you're constantly trying to be the center of attention. It's something that happens regularly in LARPs, and a lot of people know the types and are really getting annoyed with attention seekers and spotlight junkies. But how do you turn the spotlight away from you? Well, in the example I presented to you, the player characters trying to solve the plot and solving the mysteries, if you're the person standing in the middle and being looked at, and if everybody is waiting for something smart of you to say, just point at somebody who you think is eager to talk, and just ask them their opinion. And sit down and wait for what he has to say. And after that, if he wants to play the ball back to you, and because he thinks you're the leader, just ask somebody else. Ask everybody in the room until everybody has talked, or until a real debate happens without the need for you to lead it. So you have to actively redirect the spotlight to other people, and that means that you have to be aware of you being the center of attention. If you're not aware that everybody's looking at you, and if you're not aware that you're considered the leader, it will be very difficult to direct the spotlight to somebody else. But if you're aware of it, don't overextend it. Redirect it to other players. Let them share the spotlight with you. That's for today. I think I will enjoy my new spotlights a bit more and just stand here a bit and be enlightened. And if you think it will be boring for you to see me basking in the glory of my new lighting equipment, which I will not share with anyone, then you're probably right. I think it's time to say goodbye for today. Have a good one. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.